up, Stiranese Mr. Nation and Latuma players? Welcome to the Nayful Podcast, episode 53. We are coming at you live at the blog, Labtronic Solutions. And if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@labtronicsol.com. Today in the studio, we are joined by the now emerging, the rising star of Eastern Cape. We are joined by champion, you win a camp. We don't go away camp. We are joined by the now champion of Eastern Cape Studio Camp. We are joined by Omaleta. Has a new single out featuring Uzinhle Kwaimani. Mama, just Mama. Yeah. It's out on all digital platforms. Music videos.
Ingeza.
Oh, it's still in process.
Yeah.
It says Autet. Okay, sure. We're joined by Maleta. New single out now, Mama. New single coming as well. As a being here, Siswam, right?
Ndiyaphila futhi akhona njani wena?
Hayi kuhle nakum. Yeah, ngubani ndifuna uzintroduce ngehlobo lwegama ngefani kunye nesithuko. Maleta sisithuko kanye stage name.
Sisduko case stage name esithathwe kwisduko.
Kwisduko, okay. So ungazi introduce ke kodwa ez.
Okay, igama lami lamanyanyani nguzukisa ifani nguJames isiduko sami ndingumamntakwenda uMaleta ulibele umboyo isozemba ukhwangeshe. Ngisuke ePhumlane ndahlala naseTsholomo.
Oh, sure. Okay. You are a musician how kanye zikhona ezinye izinto that you do?
I do acting. Okay. Yeah, I've been focusing on acting for ixesha elide. Kodwa ke music ndiqala uthatha seriously kulonyaka.
Oh, kulonyaka?
Kulonyaka but.
Icamp yenziwe kulonyaka kanye last year?
Yenziwe kulonyaka ngoFebruary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but.
So what happened if you were to describe your music? Umuntu ongakhanga umamele. Ungathi what music do you do?
Oh, yabona ke lo question baninzi abantu wanna asked me about that. Yeah. So I don't do a specific type of music. Like I love trying out different genres. So dikhona kwi Afro soul, mapiano. I also do a bit of reggae, and then I also want to try out hip hop. But until I find that that sound, then that's when I would say, okay, now I've like ngenza umculo also. But for now, like I'm trying to accommodate. But then I'm trying. I'm just doing me. Like, yeah.
Oh, okay. So uthi wasePhumlane naseTsholomo?
But
uzalelwe phi?
Ndizalelwe eTsholomo and then utata wami wasePhumlane. Mama waseTsholomo. Okay. So ndizalelwe eTsholomo and then I think after a year or two we moved to ePhumlane to stay with my dad.
Okay. Yeah. So you've just been there throughout
until after I finished grade 12 and then I moved to Pretoria.
Okay.
Yeah, so I stayed there. Yeah, I stayed there for a few years.
How old are you, Gant? You don't want to say it.
You don't ask a lady that question.
They don't mind, but I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I know I finished my matric last year. And I'm exploring umculo.
Yeah.
So you even moved to Pretoria.
No, I'm not that young, but
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. So you in Pretoria, it's been acting, and then this year you've decided, you know what, this is.
Yes.
I would like to venture more into music.
Yes.
Okay, sure. How many songs have you recorded yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Everything is just starting out now.
Yeah. But at the camp, like we recorded a lot of songs.
But so those songs do not belong to you, they belong to the camp?
No, they belong to us. Just that, they belong to us, ne?
Okay, so ingoma oyirekhodileyo camp, ungakwazi uyidropha as your own?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But also it's going to come out as...
it's going to come out as a collective, like on the day, your listening session. But I think after that, you are free to do whatever you want with the song.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, but I think that's how it's going to be.
Oh, sure. So the camp iqala njani udibana njani wena noba mawuyohambe uyokhembisa?
But okay, so iqale on Facebook. I follow uZinhle Kwaiman. So iqale uFacebook ndabona the poster. So I was like, ish, let me try this out. When ndizama nje, like I wasn't even sure uba ndizongena. But ndayizama and then I applied. Ayike zahamba kakuhle izinto. And then saya campaign, record umculo omnandi, like yo, it was so memorable. Like yo, a lot changed. I met a lot of talented artists. It was so like they also taught us like the music, the business side of music. Because we don't really care about what happens in business. But yeah, we also got like a bit of information that would help us, like industry. Yeah.
So it's a permanent single. Mom.
Pume 4 April.
Also this month.
This month, yes.
This month. And yeah, Nancy.
Yo, did you Puma Lagoma like first day Facebook. So abantu masiphumlana like bandifonela intombi yatrenda. And at first I didn't know how to take it. Ibona like disbelief but iyenzeka lento nyanyani. But then I think ekuhambeni kwexesha I accept and I deserve this, so let me enjoy it, and believe there's no turning back. Yeah.
Okay, sure. I think you should be thinking of music video. Why? Because I think if the thing with the single, if we drop it and then we relax after some time, even then the hype here kanti yabona if uthi visualizer uthi music video then uplug ngoku kwezi channels akhona TV channels akhona, that's when manyanyana uzotsho uqonda ba hey I think didinga ne bodyguards yabo. So since you are a versatile artist ke ngoku, what inspires inona fika kuwe ethi mandenza umculo onje ufika imelody kuqala or kufika lyrics and then you think of the melody after?
Sometimes kufika imelody and then when that happens I usually take my phone record and then lyrics zizofika after when I revisit the melody. But sometimes it's a studio and then kudlalwa beats and then you connect with a certain beat, and then you will decide like what type of song you want to do according to, but it's different. Yes, I went in all the ways that you just mentioned. Yeah.
So is genre le single phumleyo ngokufola under Afro
but it's piano. It's not piano, but it's tech.
Okay. I don't think it's tech now. I think, but I don't know, man. I don't know if it's Afro what, but it's
Afro. Yeah, I know with Afro corner. It's Afro corner, Afro something.
Okay, and then the next one, you follow which
No, the next one, it's Afro pop because it's popish.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Afro pop.
Afro pop.
Yes, Lelandela.
Okay.
Afro pop.
So describe to me, man, Lamin recorda ngayo langoma.
Okay, so it was the second day. Yeah, it was the second day. So it's a studio with a friend of mine. So I recorded and then we call him Young Vision. So he was producing that time. So it's a studio, 2 legs. And then we actually recorded another song. So they were there, to facilitate, like just to give us points, like what. Sure. So they were there, and then we recorded the song, and I think maybe I impressed her, because after that, she called me outside, and gave me her phone. Okay, wadlala beat, but I can't actually. Okay, listen to this beat. We're gonna do a song. So she just gave me the phone. But then as in the mamela, I'm like, hey, okay, so what figure wafika uDRM ne. Hey, okay. So nimbuza ndithi so kwenza ingoma nokwayimani. Hayi bo.
Okay.
Wafika ne.
Yeah.
Gogo. Wathi hayi yenzeka, and then that's when it clicked man, okay, hayi yenzeka this thing. And I'm going to have a song with Uzinhle Kwayimani. So and then that was okay, pana sangele studio. And then wathi mina bendenza igospel lewe.
Sure.
Because kangathi mosibana kufuneka sibhale ngantoni na. So ndenze igospel. And then xa sifika ke ngoku studio ngaphakathi athi okay ndimculele ke ngule lesendibhale athi ana man mama kusaphila. Ndithi ewe usaphila ndithi yeah. So ndithi umama usaphila athi khambhalele lengoma because benifuna ingoma ezothetha ngomama. Yabo so khambhalele le khaculele yena ngathini kuye belapha phambi kwakho. Okay ndayibhala na record hayi ke the rest is history.
Oh so uthini mama kayimamele ke ngoku?
Ncuma. Ncuma xa noba uyaphi nawe ifaka ku repeat uyayithanda nyanyana.
Niba ngaphi ku
ekhaya?
Yes.
Okay, it's by 3. I have an older brother, I'll say Cape Town, but I haven't seen him in 12 years. But I was just we communicate.
Okay.
And then bendium, and then going to be younger brother yam.
Also, you're the only girl.
I'm the only girl. Mafungwashe.
Okay. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. And then uyafunda esikolweni njengoba ufunda nje uthi bawuluba ngugqirha.
Hayi zange nabaweli bangugqirha mina.
Lo DRM ngaloko wayithe phithi ngoba ngudoctor.
Na kudala ndafuna uba se-TV.
Okay.
Like even from growing up utata wayene camera.
Sure.
So qho endlini uyafota ne-video camera uyasivideorize and then ke ngoku late sihlaleni phansi esofeni a-connecte TV. Then ke ngoku sizibukele so zendiyithanda kanti mandizibone e-TV. When then ke ngoku when I got to Pretoria ndafunda e-Boston Media House ndenza e-film and television production, so I have a diploma in that. And then after that I was like mna ndifuna actor mna.
Okay.
Then I went for Ilandu at the State Theatre, Pretoria.
Yes.
So I did acting and music.
Hey.
Yeah.
So you can act, Ngoku?
I can act.
Okay.
What man act?
Unenkoni?
Uzoqala ngaphi?
Kaloku nje umhlambi kuthiwe bangathi you are reporting umhlambi report uyi-secretary yalo ndawo so uyo-reporter uboss ku-disciplinary hearing ufika uthini pha 5 4
I have a movie on YouTube.
You have a movie that's out?
That's on YouTube.
Uyintoni pha kuyo?
I'm a wife.
Uyi-wife you're
I'm a wife to
a main character.
Yes.
Uyi-wife your main character.
Yes.
Okay.
So can I say the name of the movie?
Yeah, you can do, yeah.
Okay, so the name of the movie is A Stranger in My House.
Ustranger nguwo kanye
No, a stranger loku makhwapheni lo.
Kwenzeka ndo? Makhupheni ngene endlini okanye?
Wangena endlini kaloku and then thatha impahla zami yabona wazinxiba like psycho. Ngiphumile mina nomuntu wami. Ngoxa sifika endlini ngoku hey.
Yenzo pha eBoston?
There's this these two friends of mine. Bane production company. So yeah. And but bafuna shoot a movie. So I was like, okay, no, I'm down. Let's shooting.
Akabi love song.
I love song.
Ngabila mani love songs e-East London man. Most years ngoma that make it out like ngoma ezifana no hip kwaito ngoma zasemdantsane even Uzinhle for example Bisen for the most part yeah zonke ezingoma zakhe even nale imithandazo kubana abanye abantu like there's a lot of artists Ulush by the way there's a lot of Osimbone even a lot of their songs as fun as there's love songs. I think one love song we have Tracy Odwa. Yeah, I think that's one song we have a love song up. Kanti xa sifuna xa sifaka istatus siyazi basizofaka ingoma yomuntu othile walapha around xa ufaka umuntu wakho yabo. So think about it.
Yeah, I will. Yes, I will think about it. But
Featurisha bakuyo.
It's a one. Like there are a lot of talented artists in East London. So yeah, it's a one. And then very talented. Cool.
Oh, okay.
But I do have. But I just said I haven't recorded them. I do have like heartbreak songs.
Heartbreak?
Yeah.
You've been heartbroken, man.
I have a life, it happens. And I'm that person. Like I write about a lot. Like I write about everything, especially like experience. If you experience, and I feel like I wanna write about it in Zopalang.
If it okay, so what happened to your last heartbreak?
Yo.
I just enjoy in a way that you are writing it down. You don't have to go into the specifics. Bano moshom.
Yeah, nah.
Zango moshom. Zanga ndafana ndatubana nentombazana ethi lendoda ndandinayo ndayimosha ndayithetha for granted. So lokho indoda egezayo, indoda emoshayo.
Yeah, that's how it is most of the time. That's how it is.
So onke abantu okhe wanabo ba wrong.
They are very wrong.
Angizophikisa. Sizawuva this song ka-DRM. Uthi, you want to venture into hip hop as well?
I would.
Usenza chorus okanye rap?
No, my rapping. Always just one nje but yemazu ngikwazi pronounce like Jene Aiko.
Oh yes, the one.
Yes.
Unantsika ka Big Sean.
Yeah.
Often that is a style.
It's a style sakhe.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Oh, it's not okay. It qualifies sometimes, but it's not 100% rap. Mhlawumbe hip hop. Hip hop, hip.
Yeah, then ke I want to.
Ungalunga pha.
Hayi ngalunga pha.
Can sithi canvasi nansi kamanqa ivoice
uziyaleza
ufika ba ichini ivoice stop bimnani le weekend.
With fever.
Oh, fever
nyanyana.
Plus like I ucanga Hennessy.
Plus bendine fever ne kakade and then ngoku sabane gigs eziyi2 ngomgqibelo yabona so yenza izinto za West.
Biphi le enye nenye
one ibise Phumlani and then ngoku enye ibise Postam.
Bathina Phumlani xa bekubona uthi tiqeli amadoda nentshebe enxibi inansi omalume bomdansi. Bayascream xa ungena ne?
Yeah, I scream but like the energy, like they came and then like they were singing along like with every line.
It's a beautiful song,
it's beautiful and like they were taking videos, like we shoot and then after when I was done, pictures and so it was like overwhelming.
It's right because it starts at home.
Exactly.
And you went out to wayoba intombi yasemdantsane intombi yase-East London. You started at home with S gigs.
Exactly.
And then from then onwards you progress now to mhlambi uzobetha komakona ngoku koma-Jeff unyuke uyothi Zaza unyuke uyothi Queenstown unyuke uyothi PE and then
yes.
So it it started at home. It started where you come from. Abantu that grew up with you got to see you, you have this beautiful voice. Because nandi vengo kibi nansiko up, kibi senzwa visualizer up. And then I think umsiyana bese ngiqalele there's Phakla Camp. There's an artist ephumaya phayana engumaleta. He's gonna try and bring her here.
Yes.
Then waza ngalaminda kuva and then still no Mechi. Wangicalela but there's this and still no Malume. Still nako Facebook. Yabona no Enhle, she was here with Enhle. She was saying also bana kuko umaleta was like you were emerging, you are getting into the scene. So how do you feel when vukutin?
Yo.
Kunjani by superstar?
No, it's like like yavuya.
Okay.
Yabona xa uyithanda ne And okay, reality, not everyone will make it.
Yes.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
So when izinto ezinjena zisenzeka, then like I appreciate a lot, and I don't take anything for granted. I just want to continue making music, nje. Yeah. I just want to continue making music.
Sangucule ku-Sunday schools nantoni.
There isn't I was sengicula kwi-Sunday school, but not for ixesha elide.
Kwenza phi?
And then endikhonza ePhumlane, Faith Mission.
Oh, sure. Ithini sisuke ePaskeni ithini ivesi yakho oyithandayo?
Andikho sure uba iphi na, kodwa for God so loved the world.
Wasinika unyana wakhe.
Yes.
Unyana wakhe kuphela kwakhe.
Like that sacrifice. That's it's a beautiful verse.
Awunamntana wena?
Ndinayo umntana.
Oh, so you equate your thando lo sacrifice.
Like sacrifice umntana wam, so it means when uThixo uyasithanda.
Yeah, that's the greatest act of love.
Yes.
Sacrifice. Yeah.
So I start first. Oh yes, by
Ooh, what's wrong? But I'll look for it.
Okay.
I'll look for it. Yeah. But ndiyayazi yona kudala ithethwa ngabani. Even nangoku Abraham couldn't get kids until he was 100 years old. And then ngoku afumana lo mntana wakhe kukena 100 kuthiwa khanikezele ngalo mntana. uHana naye wayengafumani bantwana uthe ufumana umntana wanikezela ngaye. So apparently if you love something you sacrifice for it.
Yes.
Umntana yintoni? Indoda. Ntombazana. Oh, uzomlekelisa anytime soon.
Yeah.
Oh, sanantsika ngoku.
I focus.
Awufuni ukuphazamiseke.
No.
Funeka sibuza lo. Singaboni ngawo.
Flop. Cool.
Okay. So what is the plan, Mklambi? When you look into things, okay, with the goals zakho as an artist, where do you see yourself in the next coming years, in the next 5 years?
Yeah, in terms of music or just life in general?
In terms of your career yakho in the music industry. So it includes you, it includes the music as well. Yeah, where do you see it in the next coming 5 years? From ngoku phuma apha and then kuthiwe hayi ke on this day 5 years later, this is what I want to have accomplished.
Okay. Do you know this festival? What's in Tomorrowland. Yes. I don't know where it is. No, it's international.
Oh yeah, they born.
Yeah, so it's a huge. But I don't know about in down, but I just know it's Tomorrowland. It's a huge festival.
Okay.
The festival man, Black Coffee Bar. They usually perform because and like everywhere.
Can you born?
Yes. So
I think one time I host on a BBC. Yeah, they asked otherwise.
Yes. So like I wanna for my life, like I wanna be international. Okay. I wanna be able to perform with stages as in Jaya. But obviously in the Kalapika and then doing the cool. But the goal in 5 years in terms of music, I wanna be able to perform with stages as in Jayana. And then obviously I wanna go into property, like business. Yes.
So in essence, you will generate money from here and then you'll put it on.
Yes.
In property.
Property, yes. Yeah.
Oh, sure. You don't want to go and go study for real estate agency and.
But I wouldn't mind. I'll see. As the life progresses, yes. Like you, but not interested in yeah. So maybe interested and do something. Yeah. But in property, because I feel like your property is the best investment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, property ayiphelelwa.
Ayiphelelwa.
Umhlaba ngowakho forever umhlaba na for abantwana bakho.
And abantu banga-inherita umhlaba wakhe izinto ezinjalo. Yeah, so
But also knowing what to do with the land is the most.
yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
Yeah, but I would love to go to school for that. Like property is broad.
Yeah, it's not only just real estate.
Yeah.
There's so much you can do with umhlaba than just that. There's also, you can do them all in one land.
Exactly.
But yeah, it's there's a lot man you can do. In essence, okanye kuyo yonke loo nto yileyo.
Yeah.
So you have this single that is out. Le Afropop izayo. Ithini title yayo?
Xolisa.
Uzayiperforma pha eNas again Friday. eGill Theatre.
Kaloku ezase-Gill Theatre zezi zase-camping.
Oh, so what's going to happen? Record Xolisa, you didn't record pha eCampini. Urecorde zangapha eCampini ezizezakho. Ezezakho.
Ezezam.
Yeah.
I recorded with a lot of artists.
Yeah, I'm not saying you alone, but I'm just saying engoma ezine voice ekukhona wena kuyo zingaphi.
Yo, lena ndicinga ezininzi.
What's the names? Yes.
10, 11.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, there's still more to come from you from the camp.
Yes.
Than
Yes,
Xolisa.
definitely. Yeah.
So Xolisa is addressed to who?
Xolisa. Okay, so yabuza, like, what is it?
Yeah,
The
yeah, all of
concept and
yeah,
like that.
yes.
So at Xolisa, there's the theme at Xolisa is GPV.
Oh.
Yes, it's GPV. So it's me apologizing. Okay, man, it's me apologizing on behalf of women. Okay. Even though ndingayenzanga le nto, but ndizoxolisa because ndiyoyika uba uzondenza ntoni na. So like that's the
Woyika ubani?
indoda le.
Oh, sure.
Uba uzondenza ntoni.
Oh.
So yeah, that's why I'm saying like the theme is GPV. Actually, that lines ezisengomeni ndizoxolisa ngoba ndiyoyika uba uzondenza ntoni na ngento endingayenzanga.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Izophuma nini?
izophuma next month.
Oh, ngizophuma June 16. My spirit is abantu ready for it's youth, but okay. Yeah, all right. Next month. Akukho ngxaki. So by December, how many songs are we looking at? Isathi xa ubhukisha ngoDecember kuthiwe hayi maleta kubuyela ekhaya, maleta ku London Roots, maleta kuntoni. How many songs are you thinking about? Okay, I will perform mhlambi up to here.
4, 5. How many is too much?
Uvela ucinga 4, 5 nje kuzo zonke numbers wakhona hayi.
Hey. The fact that you understand
Kuzo zonke ingoma ubona the numbers ubona uzicinga. Wathi qwaqa ngapha ku DRM. No, I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. Sorry.
So like maybe 5, 6, 4.
Okay, sure.
Fire, so bona.
Yeah, okay. So we are performing na lenda ka nansi mhlawumbe let's say akekho kuyena uzinhle kuloo ndawo. Do you perform lenda can you just cut off yak part?
And you perform yonke maybe like xa iqala.
Oh, sure. And then you cut and then you go to
go to the next song.
Oh, sure. So uthe uTomorrowland internationally. Apha ePhondweni, yeyiphi festival that you want to perform in? Dukes on Flick or
ewe.
Thingibanga nene. OnguDuke on Flick ne.
Yeah, it took
Amamemba kufake phaya.
You
want the thing with this is that kusoloko kukhalazwa ba ubani makabuyisa imali, ubani didn't pitch, ubani didn't show up. They always try to get people from the outside.
Yeah.
And if we can groom our own artists to a national level, we don't have to cry about into zobana makabuyisa imali ubani uyaziwa ngowalapha kufuphi and angafumaneka xa yiphi na yabo lo hlobo lakhona. So nyani man, I wish lo December man ube everywhere. I wish ungabusy everywhere. Yi uphuma ngapha koDuke and uDuke uba lapha naphakade. I think ukhona ozayo ngoku.
I think ndibonile nami poster.
Man phana bakagcwala pha ube open. Oh yes, I wanted to ask you, who do you want to open for? Like a female vocalist lapha South Africa. Kuthiwe iyeza okanye wena izabe iperforma kuloo ndawo.
Okay. Ooh. Can I name?
Yeah, you can name five. You can name 5.
Okay, definitely
Makhadzi.
Mthanda. I love Makhadzi.
The energy yakhe.
The energy yakhe. Yo, it's too much.
Yamvuka uthini?
Not zonke. Not your.
Okay.
Just nje, like I know enough to save my life, yabo.
Pha ePretoria ubuhlala namavenda.
Amavenda, amatsonga, amapedi, like mixture, maZulu.
Awusozukwazi uhletywa uma singesivenda.
Soze.
Yasazi isidubada. Because isivenda ngicima ikhasi ngesidubada.
And that isidubada le izimothi ada papa ada.
Yes. Ndiyacinga nje kwakuyizinto ezasihletywa ngayo xa siba ncinecileyo ungekasazi nosazi.
Sazi nje.
Oh, so but isivenda uyasiva bazikhipha.
Yes, mhlawumbe ukubulisa.
Ndimacheroni uthetha ntoni?
Ndimacheroni. Yo, yabona ndazimixa ke ngoku kwezinto.
Ngathi ndimacheroni ukucela uxolo.
Ndimacheroni, na. Yeah, good morning or good evening or good afternoon.
Hayi nxa kumuvango zange ndibe nechance enough yakhe. Uthi usathi kuthiwa china lo. So does nje uchief ba asundini. Ndibazi bonke abanye andibazi noma kutheni na. But okay, so uthi nguMakhadzi 1.
Makhadzi. What else?
Zonke.
Okay,
let's do it like this to make it more interesting.
Okay.
Kukho Makhadzi, kukho Zonke, kukho Msaki, kukho Zolani Mahola, kukho bantu Simi, abantu by 5, kukho Amefako 6.
Yo.
Bonke abantu bathi they are all performing at the same time but in different locations. Bafuna bavulele. Ukhetha omphi kwaba by 6. Yo. Makhadzi uthetha le language yakhe.
Msaki.
Ngithanda Msaki.
Too much.
Yeah, and I see you with Msaki.
You see me, ne?
I see you with her. I feel like if you could be in the studio, not even in the same song, but if you could be in the studio, whatever she would suggest, ungayenza ngalihlobo afuna uyenze ngalo. Yeah. I believe?
Did believe her.
Yeah, man. I wish things happen for you, man. Man, I wish things happen. Uyamazi ndiyakubawela nakuzolani Mahola, man. Yamona la sisi lo freshly ground.
Nayo she's good.
Yeah,
she's
I think
good.
But I don't know kunzima bafumana babantu. But hopefully you make enough noise for them to recognize you. And then once that comes, you just let them know how much a fan you are and you would like to work with them.
Yes.
The team will communicate with
them,
their
yes.
team and then all of
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. What song are you listening to outside yourself right now?
There's this new song that's out. I think everyone is listening to that song.
Hey,
Saka.
Oh, yes.
And there's Kampala, there's Landau
Okay.
But that song is a banger.
Okay, give me okay, so that's a national artist. Upper in BCM, what artist that you're listening to?
Yes. I obviously obvious.
Okay.
So
then ngayicinganga bawuzomention yena. But ndibona lihlobo uhleka ngalo.
Hayi ndimyeke but yeah ndiyamamela naye. And I was also listening to there's a guy that I listen to Malume Womdanso. I also listen to there's this guy that we used to bese campaign Wongeza. I listen to him. I listen to Young Vision. I listen to just a lot, man. No,
so there were 2 songs ebesenziwa pha ngalamini ne. Bani lo wesibini?
Ngoku besishutila nje.
Yeah.
DRM.
No man, I think bekuculwa man phayana.
Uzinhle kwaMani.
No, ibe yanguwe ne, and then kwalandela uzinhle, and then kwachintsha ngoyayivoice yamadoda le ibipha. Bingubani lo wayebecula phaqala.
DRM.
Hey.
No wongeza.
Oh, wongeza.
Le yesibini that the last verse, yeah.
Ayikaphumi yona.
Ayikaphumi.
Hey, Hanapheka serious most. Yeah. I wish we had our own DSP yalapha ezoba yi-collective yengoma esizenzayo as a Stay Eastern Cape. Because kukho ingoma esakhula ngazo thina that we don't know what to search on YouTube and we never find them. But ngoku we are in a space where we can create and document and keep for the generation that's coming to see. Because imagine, because when I was listening to those songs, I was thinking to myself, how do we get these songs outside Eastern Cape? Because if was Eastern Cape, but at least you have a chance of being featured internationally, it's our national artist.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I'm trying to think, man. I don't know who to ask or who to talk to. But being asked, whereby we document our things, we keep our things. Daily Dispatch, abene music platform whereby all musicians will just put their music payana as long as Daily Dispatch is appealer, as umculo wenu saphila naye.
Exactly.
On that scale. And then kuchazo noba okay, so in this year we had this emerging artist yati. Yabo zonke zawo ezinje. Just to keep track, man. Because with social media, the more you post, the more ezinye izinto ezingapha yazilebaleka. So isoloko ilembe fresh 10 and umntu that oqala ukubona only with your recent post mhlambi ayikho into highlightayo bana so this year on this month bana wathi wakhupha into ethile wathini yabo. I wish otherwise kube khona njalo. What do you wish for when what do you wish could happen in the industry lapha Eastern Cape?
Okay. So I would love to see Eastern Cape musically. I reach a level, when I chose.
Okay.
Even as a Durban.
Yeah, I think Durban. We are closest to uniting with one another. Sinomzekelo was a KZN. How they work, how they support one another, how they push one another.
Yes.
With Umaskandi, with the Gom, Yongela Wayakon. I think we are closest there, Tina. If you can reach that level. And then I think Nezinyi acts ezingeyo. Because I think East London for the most part is singathi yigqom and then isikakhulu ngabantu abarepayo. So if then ababarepayo could find ways to bring back his sessions zakudala and then igqom does not die, isoloko, I think we could be closer to KZN.
And like not even just ngomculo, like with the acting as well. I mean like zikhona equipment mos ne. And then like I just wish we could like make movies.
Ubomi the life uyayazi.
Seshuthi lapha?
Kashuda okoko nandiyiva imovie ezayo ubomi the life. Yodwa neyidina movie lenzayo ubomi the life. Nobuza by main character pa.
I wouldn't mind. I love acting. So asking my benjalo. Like I also have a few like ideas, movie ideas.
Okay.
Yeah, still.
Or you can script write as well.
I can write, I can write.
Oh, I'm gonna write for a music video, man. Something out of this world.
Yeah.
And then we'll take it from there. I think for the most part, if you start from that and then you can continue.
Yes.
So I think 39. Sinatsika pha ku 45 at least noko andifuna ude nawe uqonda ba dependent buda ba ngathi usaza grand ngokubona ngani. I'm trying to think do you wanna I think also another artist that you could make ingoma ezinantsikileyo nguBethusile.
Yes.
I think you should. I don't know, man. But I don't know how it works with them and akekho pha bengekho pha kuyintoni
Campaign.
Yeah, campaign.
Bekhona campaign kana.
Ebengekho if ufuneka umbuzile. Bekhona bungasoze umbuze. Noba wafika wabulisa wathatha pictures.
But yeah, maybe
yeah, I think when I look at you, I think no Lindo Mthangayi. Yeah, I think naye Bethusile nguLindo Mthangayi and then awufuna ukwenza yaqala ukwenzeka lento.
Yo. Yeah, and okay. I wouldn't mind. Yeah,
Oh, can you
I
visual?
would. Yeah.
Oh
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
perfect visual. And ngathi lapha eMdantsane oh.
Yeah, like plus ndawathanda amagwijo.
Yeah.
And there's actually a song that I want to do. I have it already, but beats yegwijo. So yeah.
And I think he does everything by himself, man. You can bone xa record about better the way nansi and then record.
As in saying what?
Yeah. So it's important to explore ne so that you don't get boxed into
Exactly.
maleta la ntombi amagwijo mhlawumbe kanye le ntombi egqomo kanye le ntombi entoni. It's important to explore, put yourself in different positions whereby you will be challenged now here and there. And then I think no Liam, I think she'll come back.
And she's still, and her voice is beautiful.
Yeah, and if that's where you get to that Janae Aiko style, Paguliam. But keep exploring, man. Keep exploring.
Definitely.
Do not sleep. I think if you sacrifice sleeping for Nyangezi 3, usebenza, the next 3 months will be paid by as a sleepless nights.
Yeah.
Nothing comes easy, especially in the end. So if don't stop, keep pushing, keep knocking on doors. Ungabinanhloni ofuna interview ezi3 kwi station esi1. Uthi bendizile kushow kabani so ndifuna interview kushow yakho. And then you're putting yourself out there. Because I think Tina, we settle for the bare minimum. If undiye radio, okay, sendile ngapha. Kanti keep on knocking. If we are gone what's your favorite social media platform? Instagram, TikTok. On TikTok. It's very easy to blow up on TikTok. Better by life is better by life. But creating a challenge. In fact, one of your songs, you take out versatile, verses. So that's how it can reach up as
that's a good idea. Yes.
Yeah.
It's a brilliant
better
idea.
Open verse, better chorus, like shaking the verse, we share about for 60 seconds, and then we number 2 open verse. If in Naglangom, it will always hit in the dimension nabazali because wonke umuntu unabazali. And even if mama kusaphila, you appreciate mama kuphila. If uswelekile, it reminds you of ngoke besaphila. So you always win, and there will always just be an ear for that.
Yeah.
So if just think about it, nje. Uthathe when's open verse, bam, and then routine. That's how it reaches as new provinces as well.
Yeah.
And then it reaches as new creators as well that will use it. Now creators are up around. Utaman, do a don't know with my song. About whatever you want to do. Or can you post whatever video you want to post, but put my song there.
Yeah.
So that if a man babukela le video, to figure as when later on, man, they ask langom. So do not stop. A single can change your life, like your whole entire life. People bafana no fediwap will tell you okay, but abanda bakuto fediwap, but even kwalapha eMzantsi Afrika. I was with iFan a couple of months back, and it was one song. Why 22 rand? But that one song started doing numbers. So do not underestimate what a single can do. Yeah. So do not sleep, perform it, do everything.
Yes.
And then I think somehow something will hit and grand. Yeah. What do you want to say in closing?
Oh, I'm grateful. Go.
Yes.
And also like tips on nikezona. Definitely ndizithathile sozicinge ngicama ke mnama no overthinking ngicinga izinto ezininzi exesheliwe but I will enkosi kakhulu but yeah man I think abantu ngicela support
they should
follow
stop.
me, listen to my music, download my music, especially ngoku like ndizo when I could like my first ever single like so and also thank you to Uzinhle for for featurisha ingoma yakhe yabona for the exposure as well yabona. Thank you to Idansiano, the camp, like everything nje, like the team, the whole team. Thank you kakhulu for believing in me and just seeing potential. So ndabulela kakhulu, and thank you to God for writing the story of my life. Yes, for giving me this gift. I'm a very spiritual person. So yes, so ndabulela kakhulu.
Sure. I think ne-t-shirts man, wenza ne-t-shirts ne-caps ezindaweni ujebe nje uperforma pha umuntu ochophileyo uthi if you need i-t-shirt okanye if you need i-USBN nengoma yakhe to have on your own, nansi ayitafile yakho.
Yes.
Iskipa sikamaleta basenze sibe sihle yabo noba izi-stripes zika black and white. My favorite color yakho yephi?
Black and pink.
And pink. Oh yeah, black no pink no white. Mix them up nje ubhala umaleta ngehlobo elithile okanye put your face okanye whatever symbol that you use for or connecta nayo with how you make music. Just put it there, put on the t-shirts, put on the caps, put on nasesmotweni imoto nizohamba ngayo ibe nesticker nje sibhalileyo ba maleta. You going far otherwise. You're going far. Do not sleep. Keep pushing, keep knocking. So dibana ngoDecember. In fact, by December, sabe singasakwazi nodibana. Hayi yabo. Yabo. So yeah, I wish you all the best, man. I think we've reached ixesha lethu. And it's been fun, man. It's been
cool.
Being a tense, being a cold, so I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you. And abantu bakumentionayo ngabanteni bathembileyo. Abantu bathi uyamazi maleta ubuka wava ngomaleta ngabanteni bathembileyo abo that have been around the limelight for a couple of years, so they know how to maintain igama labo to be in the. So now you are not here for a while and then you leave. Years or more is to come from you. So, abantu bangakufumana phi?
On Facebook, ndingumaleta, MALETA. On Instagram, ndinguzama_leta. Naku TikTok, ndinguzama_leta.
Omna Twitter?
Ayo ndamoyika.
Yazi ngoku Facebook ose wrong. Abantu sebetrack ku Facebook. Trenda umuntu ku Facebook. Twitter utrenda abantu bafamous khango nje isuke bese club yakhe into ezihamba esikakhulu ngu Facebook abantu bayadrika napha amabibi aphuma ku Facebook ku Facebook kha uyabhatala ke sofuna sinyamezela unyathela kancinci manje lo muvuthela because ucingela imali kaMark yabo. So yeah man, I think shout out to wena and your team and and for the camp as well, for putting you in that position. I don't know. I feel like I'm not going to be.
Not yet.
Not yet, ne? Yeah, I feel like bona go live ke. Weske no nansi ke nanimbone pa TRM nanimbone ku live.
Oh,
malume pa. So I think somehow bangakudibanisa nabo pha nani yasale inhlungu pha nawe yabo. So a lot more is coming, man, from wena. Thank you so much for coming through, and I hope that it's so grand it's not going to be hard to get you yabo. I'm just playing my part in documenting Inansika yalapha Eastern Cape yabo. I wish even at a level where you are national, you can still come back and say, guys, this is possible. This you can do. The unfortunate thing is that we were in the process of getting Uzahara before Ashi. We were in the talks about she's going to come through. So I wish that you can reach that level and still come back to say, guys, black child, black girl, it is possible. Yeah. So yeah, this has been the Nayful Podcast. Episode number 53. We are out.
The podcast has been proudly brought to you by Leptronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Leptronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.